Do you want to win your partner's trust back? Here are simple 3 steps. Step number 1. Admit the mistake within your own self. Nobody wants to do wrong. But then mistakes keep on happening. They happen through us and they happen to us. We are not aware what's going on. But the first step is that we need to accept the mistake within our own self. When we own up the mistake, when we say to our own self that yes, this happened through me, when we own the entirety of it, then we can say that yes, I'm sorry. When you say sorry to your partner, it will be a genuine apology. When you own up everything that has happened through you. But if you do not admit to yourself and want to live life like a facade and deny that those things happened through you, it will show up. Step number 2. Surrender and truly apologize. When you surrender, it's like you're giving up fighting. And only then you have no fear to admit everything. So go to your partner after that and apologize truly, which means own up everything that has happened through you. At the same time, tell your partner that you do not justify your actions by doing an apology. Also share that your actions have damaged him or her. When you mention that yes, because of my actions, I know you're feeling sad, you're feeling hurt, and you're feeling lonely right now and betrayed, he or she will be able to see that you have acknowledgement for his or her emotions. Also, refrain from saying anything that directly or indirectly proves that your partner also had a contribution to that. Step number 3. Promise the new action and keep on asking for forgiveness. You need to plan the new action that you will take from here and now to work on the flaws that led to the negative situation. While you're saying sorry, you have to promise to your partner that I promise you I'll be doing this, this and this so that the negative doesn't happen ever again. I want to transform myself and I'll be transforming myself by doing this and this. When you ask for forgiveness, be prepared that your partner may need a lot of time to get healed. And nobody knows how much time. It's a game of believing. You need to believe that your asking for forgiveness will definitely heal your partner. Your partner may deny that don't say sorry to me, I don't want to forgive you, I'll never forgive you. But the other part of his or her mind wants to see you asking for forgiveness. And every time when you're asking for forgiveness, he or she is getting healed. But the stage may also come where you'll realize that it's not going to work out. At the same time, do not think about that worst case scenario. If you are committed and your asking for forgiveness is consistent, surely he or she will forgive you and you can win his or her trust back again. We at Mind Tigers offer structured, personalized one-to-one training programs where we teach you the right things, the right skills to create a love-filled relationship. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so that you can get to know our further videos.